Hello everybody, welcome to Royal Kitchen. Today I am going to make miracle cleanser of the arterial blockages. This is the name of the juice which I am going to make. This drink removes the arterial plaques, that is blockages of cholesterol in the arteries. I will show you how to make this juice. This miracle drink will flush out the cholesterol from the arteries. If you drink this every day or every alternate day of your life, by drinking this juice, keep yourselves away from heart attacks, heart strokes and brain strokes. I will show you how to make this miracle cholesterol removal drink in my Royal Kitchen. Before going to make, I want to request you, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel so that you can get the notifications of my coming recipes. I am profusely thankful to all my viewers for your constant support and encouragement. I need your constant support to the promotion of my channel. Let's get started. To make miracle cholesterol removal drink or miracle plaque removal drink, let us take one apple, cut into pieces along with the skin. I am transferring them into the juicer grinder. The antioxidants catechin and chlorogenic acid in apples protects us from heart diseases by removing the clots in the arteries. To this add 4 to 5 sprouted garlic cloves. The antioxidants in garlic reduces bad cholesterol and lowers the blood pressure levels. Here I am using 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Turmeric contains the antioxidant curcumin, which is anti-inflammatory and protects us from heart diseases by removing the clots in the arteries. To this I am adding 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Black pepper contains antioxidant piperine, which helps to prevent free radical damage of the cells and prevents inflammation. Here I am using 2 cayenne peppers, which contains antioxidant capsaicin, carotenoids and flavonoids, which are anti-inflammatory and in property and protects to remove the blood clots in the arteries. To this I am adding 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Olive oil contains the antioxidants monounsaturated oleic acid, oleocanthal are anti-inflammatory, lowers the cholesterol particles from oxidation, improves the function of blood vessels and hence prevents strokes. Regular consumption of hot pepper, that is red chilies, lowers the risk of all cause and heart disease related mortality rate. To this I am adding 1 lemon juice. To this add 2 pinch of black salt. Lemon contains vitamin C. This reduces the risk of cardiovascular disease, stroke and lowers the blood pressure levels. Good for iron absorption. Now to this add 1 cup of water and grind all of them into the juice. I have grounded all of them into the juice by using the juicer grinder. Now let us transfer them into the serving glasses. Now our miracle cholesterol cleanser juice is ready to drink. This juice will remove the arterial blockages. Make and drink this juice as many times as possible if you want to protect yourselves from heart attacks and strokes. I hope all of you would like my recipe. If you are really liked my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. I will be back to you with one more new recipe. Till then, take care. Thank you. Hello everyone. You can as well add some salt and water to this and dilute according to your taste.